Hey guys, hi, my name is Saurabh Maurikar. I have a question for you. Do you feel cold feet while thinking about facing interviews? Do you believe that you have all the technical skills, yet you're not able to clear interviews or not even getting calls for interviews? Well, you're not alone. A lot of candidates think that gaining only the technical skills will be more than sufficient to gain any role or access any role of data analytics in the industry. Well, nothing can be far from the truth. It is true that technical skills are pretty much required. 100% is required. But your ability to express those skills are equally important. And a lot of candidates very clearly ignore that portion of the interview preparation. Come join us in our data analytics interview preparation course, in which we'll talk about these kind of fundamental things to its depth. We'll talk about what to put in resume, what to put in LinkedIn, how to create your social presence. Through that social presence, you can attract recruiters to you so that the jobs may come to you. You need not to go to the jobs. We'll also cover a lot of interview handling trick. We'll also cover a lot of interview taking strategies like TPF approach, like region theory. These approaches are extremely helpful in keeping control of your interview. That is, you'll be able to lead your own interview. Imagine 80% of the time you are in control of your own interview. How cool will that be? Come join us in the course, and I can assure you that this will be worth your time and money. See you there.